Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, aanasmira, and welcome back to my channel. So today, I'm gonna do one of my favorite things. Today, I'm gonna do an unboxing video. It's one of my favorite things. So yes, today I'm gonna do an unboxing video. It's already been open, so I already know what it looks like, and that's because Debo, aka my mom, wanted to see what it was, because I told her that I got myself some pieces that I think she would want to steal from me. So she knows, like, when I do my unboxing videos, it takes me like 4 to 6 business months to do them. So she decided to open it for herself to see what it was and make sure everything was there. So yeah, I've actually done a Zara haul in the past. I don't know if I want to link it in the info bar or not, because it was literally so long ago. Y'all can try to hunt for it and find it yourself. But yeah, I'm really excited. I love Zara. Like, literally, my whole closet could be Zara, and I would just be happy. I would die a happy woman. Like, I would be satisfied. I wouldn't need any other clothes after that. I love Zara so much. So, yeah, let's dig into this box so y'all can see what I got. I forgot where it was open. Okay, here we go. So it came packaged like this. So the first thing that I got is this gorgeous blazer. It's like in this gorgeous blue turquoise color. I'm obsessed with it, and it is leopard print. Actually, no, this is cheetah. Ooh, this is actually cheetah print. Yes, sir. Because I'm actually a cheetah girl at heart. So, yeah. Is this cheetah or is this leopard? The spots are solid. There's some circles inside the spots. I think this is leopard. No, cheetah. But, you know what's crazy? That I realized the cheetah girls were actually wearing leopard spots and not cheetah spots. So I feel like my whole life is a lie when I found that out. But yeah, so cheetah leopard, I love the print. I love this color. It's a gorgeous electric blue or turquoise, whatever tickles your fancy. The shoulders are padded. It's oversized. It's giving me life. I feel like it would look really cute with this. Like, these are two cute colors together. But then I also got a matching pair of pants, which I hope fit. I don't think these are petite. Yeah, no, they're just regular. But they're gorgeous. I got them in a medium. I got the blazer in a small because I am shaped like a pear. I'm literally turning into my mom. But yeah. And the next thing that I got, last but not least, let me throw this back in there. I'm super excited about these because they're actually meant to replace another pair of heels that I got from Zara a million years ago, and they broke on me twice. Once it was the 4th of July, like a couple of years ago, which I now call Malia Obama's birthday. Not the 4th of July, it's Malia Obama's birthday. And then I went to go meet my coworkers out at a bar, but I super glued the shoes because I love these shoes so much. Like, I had been wanting them for so long, and I finally got them. So like, when they broke, I was so sad. I wore them for a long time. They had a good run, but just the fact, I'm a hoarder. So on top of being a hoarder and really wanting those shoes, and they broke on me, I was devastated. So yeah, I bought these in replacement of those. these gorgeous heels here. I am literally obsessed. I got them in a 40, which is a US 9. My other Zara heels were a 9, so I hope they fit. I'm typically a 9.5, but depending on the shoe, I can do a 9 or I can do a 10. It just depends. So I got these in a 9. They are gorgeous. They're blinged out. Y'all know I love some bling. These will look super cute with this dress as well. Just together. You know what? I'm gonna try all this on so y'all can see how it looks. Yeah, I am. Okay, so yeah, this. Here's the other shoe. So cute. All the diamonds and jewels are in place. They probably won't be for long. Did they give me an extra little baggie of jewels? They sure did. Love that for me. So yeah. Let me go ahead and try on these pieces so y'all can see how it looks on me. I'm gonna try everything on at once so y'all can see, okay? Give me a second. So this is how the pieces look on. I'm obsessed. I love this color. I love this color combo. This is a dress, but I actually like lifted it up a little bit so it would fit in this suit. I think it looks so good. These heels look so good. Like, I'm obsessed. Love them. Let me button it for y'all. I'm actually supposed to be going to dinner tonight, so I low-key am debating if I just want to wear this or the actual dress. But yeah, I love it. I'm like, look how it fits on my boot tie. Look good. Good. And usually I'm not a fan of padded shoulders, but this, it works. It works for me. I like it a lot. I feel grown. I feel super grown. Like the rich auntie that everybody keeps telling me that I am. I keep getting called auntie. Now I'm looking like a rich auntie, okay? Yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Yeah, like I said, this is a small, pants are medium, shoes are 40 or a 9 US. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Please make sure to comment and subscribe. And make sure to hit that bell notification so you can be notified every time I post a new video. I'm on the road to 500 subscribers. I'm so excited that I finally made it to 400. So help your girl out and please subscribe so I can make it to 5. Make sure to follow me on all my social media at aanasmira, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.